Hey everyone, it's Megan with the CraftyPlannerLovR here. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome here if you're new. In today's video, we are going to be planning in my Hobonichi cousin social media planner for the week of October 5th through the 12th using a bunch of Hocus Pocus kit from PinkimonoPapers. This is a favorite collection, like design of mine. I had talked about it in one of my videos before when I had shared this kit, that I had seen Casey from Casey's Plans use this artwork in one of her kits last year, and then Samuel in Planning also used this in one of her kits last year, and I needed it. And when I saw that PinkimonoPapers used it whenever I was getting my items for October, I was like, oh my gosh, I have to use this. So that is what I decided to use for this week. So this is everything that is in the kit. Lots of functional items, lots of washi strips and fun things to use, lots of deco. So I am very, very happy to use this. This is actually, I believe this is the 2-page kit that they had, and then this is the vertical kit. So I'm excited to use this. So let's go ahead and get started with this spread. So I think I'm going to use these date covers for this month, or this week, because in the other kit we have these date covers, and I thought, well, I can use these because they are just normal ones and I can use them for another spread. So I think that is what I'm going to do. As for the washi, let's see, I think we just have this 2, so 1, 2, 3, 4. I think we can do 1 per day, I think. We're going to have to, you know, obviously see, but I think I can get it to where we can do washi per day. If you've seen my videos before, then you know that I like to start with my washi and then continue on after the washi is done with the actual decoration. So that is what we are going to do this time as well. Alright, so this is, oh, wrong washi, or date covers. I needed these. This is Sunday. Sunday and Monday. Monday. This is going to be Tuesday and Wednesday. Oh, I think this is upside down. I did do it upside down. That's okay. So I'm just going to use these as washi as well because I might as well. I'm not going to use them for anything else. So might as well use it for this. Look at that. That worked out perfect. There we go. Save that. I'm going to say Tuesday and Wednesday. Okay. And then let's use, this is going to be tiny washi, but that's okay because I will just combine it to make it with one, like this. So instead of it being one for 2 days, I'm gonna just have it for just this day. It's gonna be a little smaller, but I can make this work. Not too concerned. Okay, this is going to be Thursday and Friday. Might just realize I probably will need some sort of washi because I do have one day that will be missing, but that's okay. I think I can figure that out. Thursday, Friday, and then this is going to be Saturday, and then the other one is going to be Sunday, and I have a solution for that last empty day. Perfect. Okay, this is going to be Saturday, and then we're just going to put this one here, and in the date cover that we have here, I'm just going to cover it up so that it says Sunday. We're just going to take this extra piece of this other washi and just fix it this way. It's going to be a little different, but not too noticeable. See? Perfect. I just need washi for right here, which I might be able to find something. We can just use this washi because I can use this for the top portion as well. So it works out in the end. And what I mean by the top portion is I mean up here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do this. All right, now that I have all of the dates on, I think it's time to add the deco. So let me start off by using this bigger one. And I'm actually going to be using this bigger one right here on Friday because I am going to be out of town on this day, so I'm not going to have a lot of room to do any kind of like, oh, what is the word I'm looking for? Writing on this day. So that's why I'm putting it there. Okay. So we have the cat girl there. Wait, hold on. Cat girl here. And we're going to do the spooky movie night here. I'm just making sure that I don't have multiple deco of the same thing. This is the same one. And then let's do the candy. Let's put you here and you here. Okay, I want this one and the pizza. Yeah, we're gonna do just one on Friday because I don't want to take up too much boxes. So I'm gonna do that one there, and then the cat girl here. Okay, then this one is gonna go here, and this one, and then Saturday we're gonna do this Magic Shop one, just like that. Okay. Let's put this deco. Oh wait, I want to do the deco in a second. I actually wanted to add, let's see, Let's add the weekend banner right there. It says hello weekend. I want that to be like a focal point. I think I actually might save this because I don't think I'm even gonna need to use these. So we're gonna put these to the side and I'm gonna get this guy out. So let me go back to here. I need to make sure I have got some to-dos. So we're gonna do this box here along with the to-do label. Just like that. I love it. Boxes. I just hit something. I want the black cat box and probably one more. Let's do the orange one. I'll probably add some other boxes in a second, but I don't want to do too many boxes. Monday, let's add the blue cat and the black box. And you know what? We can add another one right here. So actually, I'm going to add this one on this side. And then one over here. Let's do the pink one. Okay. Let's do another box on, actually let's do one on Tuesday as well. I was going to say just on Wednesday, but I want to do one on Tuesday. Because there's, like I said, there's going to be a lot of things that I need to get done. I'm going to use this to-do list here. Okay. I think we'll do our blue cat box here. And then this one. And this one. Let's do the orange cat box on Wednesday. We'll do this label along with the orange label. This is turning out really fun. I'm really happy with how this is looking. All right, let's put you here. I need another to-do list, so let's put the black one. It's my last to-do list for this time, along with our orange to-do list. Okay, pink cat box, and I think we're going to do black cat box on this one. And then we'll do a pink cat box here, orange cat box there. And then let's see. We'll have black and purple. This one's gonna have orange, I think. Orange, and we'll do the black one. This one we're gonna do the pink and the purple, and then this one is gonna get these guys. This is turning out much better than I thought it would. Perfect. Now I think I just want to add the deco And I really want this one to be over here because I have all of the other dolls in the other spread. Don't want to do too much, you know? So we're going to have the candy. We're going to have the book stack. I'm going to put the book stack right here. Okay. Let's do our cat girl right here since we don't have a lot in this spread. And we'll do the boots over here. And the candle. And maybe we will add the pumpkins. And over here, I think I want this salt. Oh, wait. We'll do the book and the Hocus Pocus button. Cute. Okay. Over here, we're going to do the salt and the spooky movie. No, well, no, hold on. We're going to do the crystal ball, because why not? Okay. This side, let's add the candle, whatchamacallits. And maybe, here, we're going to put the spooky movie night thing right there, along with the food. Let's put the shoes over here. I feel like that just makes it make sense. Which means this witch lady is going to go over here. And then these bats go with her. Okay, and then I want the cat. I think I want the cat on this one. Yeah. So, give me that. Kitty cat gonna go here. And you're gonna go with the spooky movie. Okay, there we go. Charcuterie board is gonna go right there. And the wine, because you have to have a charcuterie board and wine. That's like a given, right? And then the candy. I really feel like that's probably all I need for this spread. I think, y'all, I think this is done. I don't know how it happened where I completely finished the spread off. But y'all, I think it's done. Alright everyone, that is it for this week in my spooky movie night kit. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope that it gave you some inspiration. If you want to see the rest of my videos that I've done in this Hobonichi Cousin Dupe planner, you can check out that playlist. It's going to be linked at the end of this video and in the description box below, along with all of the other videos that I have on my channel that are related to different kinds of planners and crafting for you to see. Don't forget to check out PinkimonoPapers. I will leave them in the description box along with everything else that I mentioned. And I hope you guys have a wonderful October. Until next time, craft on. Bye guys!